In today's video, we're going to be talking all about how you can manifest and attract with your cup of tea. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and hello if you're new. Make sure you subscribe before you leave and click the little bell. That is so important because when you click the bell, that way you're always notified every single time I upload and you're not missing out on any of these secrets and information that I'm giving out to you. But today's video is all about how to manifest and attract everything you want and desire into your life, and how to attract a positive life with your cup of tea. Okay, so first things first, how cute is my mug? This mug I got from the 99-cent store, so this was only 99 cents. They had black and white. So how does this work? How can you manifest with your cup of tea? Water holds memory. Water absorbs energy. And tea is almost always natural. It's basically natural herbs and flowers that you use to put into your hot boiling water to infuse it, and then you drink it. So different kinds of herbs carry different kinds of energies. If you guys have been following me on my channel, you guys know that I love oils and herbs and different plant extracts, and I believe in the power that these have to enhance our everyday lives. Beauty, hair, nails, and even spiritually. Say you want to attract love. You would use rose tea to attract love into your life. Say you want to attract more communication. You would want to use peppermint tea. So different herbs carry different energies, and I've just started to upload more videos on my channel about different kinds of herbs. So stay tuned on my channel and make sure you're subscribed. That way every single week when I'm throwing out these herb videos to you, you guys know what you can use for what. I've already had like cloves. Cloves are used for removing negative energy, sage. I have a bunch already on my channel, and I have hundreds more coming at you guys. So make sure you're subscribed. Make sure you click the bell. That way you guys are not missing out on herb videos, oil videos, hair care, blah, blah, blah. Water has a very powerful ability to hold memory, and that's why this is so powerful, especially if you drink tea every single day, whether it's in the morning, throughout the day, or at nighttime. I do it 3 times a day, maybe even more. I drink tea a lot. And so when I learned about the power that water has in our everyday lives, and then mixing in herbs like teas in this water, I just realized that there's so much we can do to shift and manipulate the energies in our lives with our tea every single day. Say that you are super stressed out and worried and anxious. A good tea for you would be lavender. And say you want to attract things into your life. You would use whatever herb is good to attract. Basil is very good for attracting harmony in relationships and attracting abundance and in wealth and material objects and like money and stuff. So these are things that you can infuse into your tea, or these are the kinds of teas that you can make to attract these things into your life. Here is how you would charge your tea and infuse your tea with the intention. You always want to put an intention into the tea because there's water in it, and water holds memory, so you want to give the water something to do, something to remember, something to absorb. So I have tea in here. I have apple tea in here, and apple is really good for love and also prosperity. While this tea is nice and warm, I would hold it in both of my hands and I would speak right over it. The power of words is very, very strong. So what I would say is, with this tea, I attract all the love and prosperity into my life that I deserve. I attract self-love. I attract love from all of my relationships. I attract love from my work. I attract love of my finances. And I also attract prosperity and abundance. Abundance in all areas of my life that make me happy. Abundance in my finances. Abundance in my work. Anything and everything that you want to speak it right over your tea, because the water is absorbing it. And then the energy of whatever tea that you have, whatever herb that you have in there, you're giving that an intention too. This is very, very powerful, and it's very beautiful too, because you will start to see shifts and changes in your life because you're infusing water with an intention, and then you're drinking it. And us as human beings, we have 70 to 75%, we're made of 70 to 75% of water. So we're changing the structure of the water that we're holding into our hands, and then we're drinking that. So we're changing the structure of the water inside of our bodies, and then we are starting to vibrate in a different frequency, and into a frequency that we want. After you are done, that's it. All you need to do then is just drink your tea. You can do this in the morning and do the simplest thing, like I'm going to have an amazing day. I'm going to have a spontaneous day. I'm going to have a day filled with abundance. I'm going to have a day filled with love. I'm going to have a day filled with laughter. You can do anything that serves you, anything that makes you happy, and you can infuse your tea with that. I hope that this helped you guys. I hope that this gave you a really quick, like, everyday ritual that you can do with your tea to invoke happiness into your life, to invite love into your life, and to attract and manifest the things that you desire the most, because this works 100%. I've tried it. It works every single time. It works very fast, and it also makes you feel really good. It's very therapeutic for me. And if you guys are interested in more videos like this of law of attraction and herbs and oils, I have a bunch on my channel, and I have a bunch more coming out. So make sure that you're subscribed. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!